Have you ever wondered what happens when ducks go on epic quests? Well, buckle up because this quirky trend is taking social media by storm. One channel has already amassed an astonishing 960,000 subscribers with just 21 videos. And yes, they're totally monetized. According to Social Blade, creators in this niche are raking in anywhere from $29,000 to $469,000 per month, or a jaw-dropping $332,500 to $5 million annually. And guess what? This space is still wide open, waiting for you to dive in and start creating your own ducktastic adventures. The best part? You don't need fancy skills or expensive gear. With free AI tools like Qwen, Leonardo AI, Hailuo AI, and Claptools, you can craft these magical stories in no time. Plus, these videos aren't limited to YouTube Shorts. They're perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and beyond. That means more chances to grab eyeballs, earn ad revenue, land brand deals, and even cash in on TikTok creator rewards. Sound exciting? Let's get started. To kick things off, we'll conjure up the perfect visuals for our duck quest. Picture this: a serene pond at dawn, glowing with golden sunlight, or a vibrant meadow buzzing with life. Sounds enchanting, right? But coming up with prompts doesn't have to be hard. I've simplified it with two powerful tools: a scene description prompt to set the stage and an image prompt to bring every detail to life. Don't worry, I'll share the links in the description so you can follow along easily. Before we dive deeper, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It's like giving your virtual duck a high five. It keeps us motivated to bring you even quicker contents. Head over to the prompt template and copy the scene description prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT, but for this tutorial, we'll be using Qwen AI due to the fact that it's free and comes with unlimited usage. Sounds fantastic, right? Now hit enter and watch as it generates detailed descriptions for all 11 scenes of your story. Easy peasy. Next, return to the template, copy the image description prompt, paste it back into Qwen, and voila! You'll have 11 vivid prompts ready to bring your duck quest to life. Bonus tip: swap out the animals or tweak the settings to create fresh adventures. The possibilities are endless. Now it's time to turn those words into stunning visuals. Fire up Leonardo AI, link in the description, and click Get Started. Signing up is quick. Trust me, no hassle. Once inside, head to Image Creation, choose the Phoenix 1.0 model, and select the TikTok aspect ratio, 9:16, perfect for vertical videos across platforms. Copy your first image prompt that we generated from Qwen, paste it into Leonardo AI, hit Generate, and bam! You'll have 4 breathtaking images to choose from. Download your favorite, repeat for all prompts, and voila! Pro tip: if the results aren't exactly what you envisioned, don't panic. A little tweaking goes a long way. Trial and error is half the fun. With our images ready, let's breathe life into them with Hailuo AI. Head to their site, link below, log in with Google, and click Try Now. Upload your first image, copy its corresponding prompt from Qwen, paste it into Hailuo AI, and hit Create. Watch as the magic unfolds, transforming static pictures into mesmerizing seconds. Animate. Premium users can queue up to 5 images at once, while free users can handle 3. Either way, download your results and marvel at your handiwork. Not happy? Regenerate until perfection strikes, and do the same for rest of the images. No great adventure is complete without a killer story for each scene, but looking at duck quests, they actually use music script. I think story will work much better. In this tutorial, we will be using Claptools to create our voice over into our story, which is free. And the fun part is they are very realistic voices, just like 11 Lab. But as usual, the choice is yours to make. Anyone is monetizable. A tool designed to craft custom realistic voices tailored to your video's vibe. You don't need to sign up. It's super easy. Scroll and click on TikTok. Moving forward, click on TikTok voice generator. Scroll to the text box. Hop over to Qwen. Copy the story for the voice over created along the scene prompts and paste it on the text box. Then you can choose the voice that suit you from the drop-down menu. In a moment, you'll have your voiceover and then download. To make it fast, do the same for the rest. For sound effects, check out Pixabay, link in the description. Browse through options, listen carefully, and download the ones that fit your story. Perfectly timed SFX will take your video to the next level. Or you can just use the sound effects on CapCut, which is the final phase of production. Finally, it's time to assemble everything in CapCut. Open the app, create a project, and import all your clips, sound effects, and background music. Trim each clip to about 3 seconds or leave it at the original 5 seconds from Hailuo AI to keep the energy high and add smooth transitions between scenes. For extra polish, extend the transition duration during key moments like accidents or climactic scenes to build suspense. Don't forget to drop in your background music or sound effects. Adjust the volume for balance and apply the clear filter to tie everything together. Export in glorious 1080 or 4K resolution, and voila, you've created a masterpiece.
Amidst the desolate remnants of a forgotten world, a tiny duckling finds itself standing alone. The collision leaves the duckling battered and bruised, its fragile frame trembling beneath the weight. Shadows emerges a figure of unexpected grace, a great white bear, whose towering through the quiet solitude of the night, the bear carries his charge forward, step by deliberance. Beneath the watchful gaze of countless stars, the bear builds a sanctuary of light and warmth. As dawn breaks anew, the bear embarks on a solitary mission, seeking provisions for their future. Without warning, serenity gives way to turmoil as a sinister force descends upon the bear. In the heart of the wilderness lies a grim reminder of humanity's darker impulses, a cage where dreams are locked away alongside its inhabitants. Among them, the bear joins a silent, every flap of its wings and every peck of its beak, the duckling chips away at the barriers of oppression. Beneath skies painted with hues of sunset,
And there you have it, a stunning Duck Quest video ready to captivate audiences everywhere. Whether this becomes your next viral hit or the start of something bigger, the adventure is yours to shape. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and create something amazing. You enjoy this tutorial? Show some love with a like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and remember, your creativity has the power to inspire the world. Can't wait to see what you cook up next.